Signings that you do with companies that use Snapdocs will either be paid to you directly by the hiring company or paid to you via Snapdocs VendorPay direct deposit. If a company is enrolled in VendorPay, this means that they make all of their payments to signing agents through direct deposit. If a company is not enrolled in VendorPay, they will handle dispersing their own payments through whichever payment method they use, whether it's checks, e-checks, or something else. There's a couple of ways you can tell whether a signing is being paid through VendorPay or not. The first way is when you receive the signing opportunity. When viewing the offer, it will say via VendorPay direct deposit next to the fee listed. After you've been assigned to a signing, another way to tell how you'll be receiving payment is through your dashboard. On your dashboard, you can easily see whether an order is paid through VendorPay, as it will say VendorPay underneath the fee. Additionally, if you click on an order, there will be a payment section on the order page. In this section, you can also see if the signing is being paid through VendorPay, as it'll clearly be labeled. Also, it will say that you'll be paid via direct deposit for this signing. Lastly, another place to see whether a signing is being paid through VendorPay is your accounting page. If a signing is being paid through VendorPay, it will say VendorPay underneath the fee. To recap, you can see whether a signing is being paid through VendorPay when viewing the signing offer. In other words, before you respond to the offer as available or unavailable. On your dashboard, where it will say VendorPay underneath the fee, or your accounting page, where it will also say VendorPay underneath the fee if it's being paid via VendorPay direct deposit. With multiple ways to see this information, you can easily figure out how payment will be dispersed to you.